afterglow with an apology in my left hand. Hope it tastes like a second chance. Cause I'm here to say sorry to the top glass of that Napa Valley Vine Cabernet. Girl, I couldn't go to bed, let another second pass without you and me being okay. So let's get to the bottom of these problems and this bottle before that moonlight quits, and turn this wine